Right, just arrived at Pitsford Reservoir. Opens at 9 o'clock. We're half an hour early. We're perch fishing on the boats today. Has much been coming out for the predators recently?
Do you know, I don't know much about the predator fishing at all, to be totally honest. All I know is that there was one fish that's, what's it, £25? That's the only one I know has been the best so far.
Yeah, we'll leave it for about 1 minute.
You'll need to be in charge of the anchor, okay? What we're going to do, we're going to swing through the causeway.
Yeah.
And fish to the causeway, but from the other side.
Yeah.
Right, we'll be the first boat on it. That anchor, you might want to film this coming up the boat.
Hold up. Let's grab the camera. Still filming, well done.
It's definitely perch, you can feel it.
Remind me to get the Polaroid filter out. Well done, Giles. First hook up of the day. It's still deep, mate. It's still really deep. See it, man.
Is it a perch?
Yeah, you don't want to know.
Really?
Careful that line.
It snapped me, mate.
Snaps you. Always next time. Let's get the rods back. Giles is in again.
This is definitely not a perch.
Still at the.
We might get some jumping here.
Oh, you're under me. Over. You okay? Do you want me to move mine? There he goes.
Big old brown trout.
Look like a rainbow.
Oh, it might be a big rainbow then.
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow. I can always move it.
Big old rainbow. Don't really want these.
No. Sweet. And it's away.
It's best to not get them in the boat.
Yeah, don't take them out of the water, I find, if you can help it.
Yeah, the lure can.
Look at the state of you.
Just throw in the lure.
Interesting feature. That's got to have some perch around it.
Never had a perch do this before.
Or a pike.
Might be a big perch, just shot off because it's on quite. Ditch that lure again, look. The old Texas rig.
You lost your lure. They're savage when they took, I'm not surprised. Right, let me just scoop him up.
Right, we'll keep him in the water.
I won't move him out of the water. That's unhooked really quickly.
Yeah.
There you go. Back safely home.
These are good. Actually, Mike, I've caught a lot of perch on these. I'll show you. So these are the big ones. So these are the 10cm ones. Good thing with them is they've got like a hollow body. Yeah.
Clever.
So you can actually load them up. See there in the back, it's got a cavity, and the I use the liquid worm. It's good. And just you can load that up
Clever.
in there. Let it sink in and see it actually fills up that void.
Yeah. So you've got the added attraction as well as the movement.
And then when you hook it up, that drops to the bottom. See that liquid's inside there?
Yeah.
And that's releasing that all the way, and it's just much more added attraction.
Sweet.
So these will work really well for me on here actually.
Nice.
That's what I hooked that fish on this morning. It was one of these.
Not bad.
Really good.
Right, just taking a pit stop for lunch. Chili con carne with 3 bean and bacon, I think it is.
I think that's what he said, but it's a very good combo. I'm enjoying it a lot.
Bit much for a hot day, but it tastes good.
It does taste good.
Oh, we still need a Z, man.
We won't catch his head out here.
Oh, no, ripe it is. Sun's going to my head.
We'll catch some perch though. I'm gutted I lost that one earlier. That was a good fish, wasn't it?
If I can highlight it, bring it out on the blog, pause it.
And draw a white line around.
Gutter. It's fishing though, man.
I know. But I knew today was going to be hard. I know it's been fishing really tough this place.
Yeah.
And
You just think they've been hammered, do you?
I know
Or?
that, yeah, they have. Yeah, over the last 2
I
years.
like your makeup as well.
That's alright.
That's kind
Which side is it on?
on top of your eye and underneath your eye, you've
Nice.
wiped yourself with clay fingers.
Which eye, left or right? This one.
Yeah, on the top of it. I don't think your fingers are clear. It looks like you're wearing eye makeup, man. You've got your highlighter.
It's alright, it's my wall paint.
It looks good. Too far away. Hold on, I'm just turning right and then going left. So we're dead central. To drive through. Okay. Oh, it's lovely and cool in here. But you had a good day, Giles.
Always.
So,
I I love fishing the reservoirs.
Yeah, I do. It's quite the adventure, isn't it?
Yeah. You just never know what you're going to be hooking into next.
You losing that perch this morning was a gutter.
That was a very big fish.
Hopefully I've got that on video.
See, yeah.
And then that brown trout you had was massive as well.
Yeah, that was a monster, that was.
It was nice. What we had? You've had 3 trout, I've had 2? Or you had 4?
3 or 4, I can't remember.
Yeah, yeah. They all got returned safely. Yeah, it's really good fun. And for rain today, we were predicted rain this afternoon. Yeah, quite the opposite really. Well, that brings us to the end of this vlog. Pitsford Reservoir. Reservoir?
It's like reservoir.
Pitsford Reservoir. Why can't I say reservoir?
Reservoir dogs.
Well, that brings me to the end of this vlog. Pitsford Reservoir. Reservoir dogs. Pitsford Res. I'll call it Pitsford Res.